outfit check. It's kind of all over the place, but I think it ended up cute. I'm wearing this vintage little striped shirt, this Shop Cherry, I think it's called Shop Cherry vest with little daisies on it, these pants that I thrifted. I think they're scrubs maybe, but they fit cute, and my Berkeys. And I'm wearing this hat I got from a garage sale because my hair is not cooperating. Hello, I have a work event for Neiman Marcus, and this is what I'm wearing. It's my Reformation dress. Let's go.
As we rush into the ocean, we rush into the waves to live, to breathe.
You know.
Yeah, you're my target.
To breathe inside.
On the field, Zach Taylor. He's the second youngest coach in the league. So you must be sure with these two guys on the side.
Let's win the game.
Second goal.
Okay, let me go and find my eyes. Well, the rain does measure you.
To know the way through gold and green. It's all she wants. It's all she needs. Sad to see, sad to see, sad to see. She's standing on the
Happy Wednesday. Grandpa Fit. Got this vintage cozy abstract looking jacket. Got my gray pants, vintage George Washington School of Medicine shirt, and my trusted little docs. We are going to a comedy show tonight, me and my friend. And yeah, it's gonna be fun, something different. I'm excited.
Oh my god, is that a photographer?
Let's get food.
Wow, that looks so good. Jesus.
Road trip. Where are we going? San Diego. Paulina, show your outfit. Would you like to show your outfit? Thank you. Diana, show your outfit.
The bar closes and you feel like falling down. I'll carry you home tonight. We are young. So let's set the world on fire.
that? No, I don't know. We're in San Diego. We're gonna have a beautiful day. Talina, would you like to add anything?
I'm starving and I can't wait to eat. I really hope there's a path. Right?